Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Avios on British Airways. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then open up British Airways website, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is just simply book a flight or flight plus hotel, any of the options that are given to you. And once you do that, select the country and the fare as well, and once you're done with all the information, simply click on find flights. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply select a connecting flight that are available to you, and once you have selected that, here you'll be seeing to review your flight tickets. Now once you scroll down, you'll be seeing the option that says save with Avios. Now all you gotta do is just simply click on this option that says login on the right hand side, and once you do that, you'll be directed to another page where it will ask you to enter your username or your membership number and your password as well. And once you have logged into your account, here you'll be able to apply the credits of Avios on the British Airways to get your discount. Now the next step you can do is going back to the British Airways homepage, and then on the top bar you'll be seeing a bunch of options, and among them you'll be seeing the option that says book. Simply click on it or hover over it, and you'll find an option that says book a flight with Avios right here. Now all you gotta do is click on it, and once you click on it, here you'll be sent to this page. Now here you'll find an option that says book with Avios. Click on it. Now once you have clicked on it, all you gotta do is just simply enter in the informations like where you are from, and where you are going to, your depart date, travel with class, ticket types, passengers, and then once you have completed all these informations and click on get flights, then you will be able to apply the Avios credits on British Airways. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.